I mean, it's fine. It's just a scene.
Sure.
If today is your first time on my YouTube channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, share with your friends. Enjoy the Shanelly family. I'm so excited. I'm here at the Kokobite Gardens, but I came for a morning walk. A morning to soak some vitamin what? Vitamin what? Vitamin D, E, whatever it is. Let me know in the comment section. I'm here with Henrietta. Henrietta is also here. Say hello to my subscribers.
Hello, Shanelly family. What's up?
What are you doing here?
I came with you here to Kokrobite, and now we are at the beach.
Yes.
We are having some. Guys, we're going to do a dance workout, so watch out for that.
And so Henrietta also has a YouTube channel.
Yes, go check it out. It's Henrietta Ajete. Guys, you're going to find amazing content regarding budget-friendly hotels and resorts here in Ghana, and anything amazing you want to see in Ghana. Go and check my channel out, Henrietta Ajete.
So guys, show my sister some love. Let's go right into the video.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
Henrietta and I had a stressful week, and we decided on a place to relax and chill. We settled on Kokrobite Gardens, which is located in Accra, about 40 minutes drive from the Accra Mall. So this is their reading lounge area. I miss it here. If you are a fan of books, you will love it here. And this is the washroom. The washroom is actually outside. This is how it looks like. So that's the yoga studio, and also other rooms here. Look at the sun rising. I can't wait to see the view from the beach. And Henrietta is so dressed up. I'm sure she's going to do some workouts. Hey, are you going to dance?
Yes, dance workout today. And you are joining me.
I didn't come prepared. I mean, I'm in a dress. How do I dress? How do I dance with the dress?
You can still dance.
So yeah, we are going to the beach. In the woods. Okay, let me know. Hold on to my phone. Good morning. Let's do it again. Yeah, I got it. Let's do it again. Any of
Do
them.
you remember which way?
This one is the salami and this one is the ham.
So I'm having Lipton as always, and
As always, like it's your favorite.
yeah, it's my favorite.
Okay.
And this is called salami. Salami. This is ham. This is tuna. I mean, would share each other.
Yeah.
So, hi Henrietta. It's a breakfast. And you're going to swim. And you're coming along with me. You're all invited. And this is a pool area. So currently my GoPro that I used to shoot videos underwater, the screen is broken, so I cannot use it. So it's very bad. I'm scared if I use it, it will actually enter into the screen. So this is what I'm using. I'm using my iPhone with this cover for
Smart.
videos. Let's take some few pictures. Yay! So guys, let's take a swim. Come join me. Let's take a swim. You can stand though.
Okay.
So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video, and since I came here with Henrietta, I'm like, why not share my experience with her, how the place is. I've been here before, and I mean, it's still the same.
Yeah.
We got the opportunity to sleep in the same room I did the last time. So how was the place? How do you see the place?
I love the place, of course. First of all, if you know me, you know that I love nature, the greens, the fact that they have all of these trees around. It makes it amazing. So I love that. Of course, I love that it's budget friendly
Yeah, we spent 140 cities for the room.
Yeah, which is really great. The pool, the pool
was so calm,
Oh,
relaxing.
God. It was so nice. See, we didn't want to get out of the pool,
But
okay?
there was time.
But we had to get out. It's just been a great experience here. It's really been. I love here.
Yeah, so yeah, the breakfast was good. Yeah, I mean the breakfast was very okay. I like the fact that the bread was very crunchy. It's only breakfast we had here, and it's time to go. So yeah, maybe next time we'll try having lunch.
Yeah, I guess.
Yes. And it's owned by an Italian. Whoa guys, if you haven't watched my previous video of this place, I actually interviewed the owner. She has a beautiful story of how this place was in existence and how long this place is. And so yeah, check it out too.
Check it out.
Yeah. Until next time, I mean, show Henrietta some love.
Yeah, guys, you've got to do this. So go on to my channel. It's called Henrietta Getaway. I do travel videos. I show you budget-friendly hotels and resorts you can check out, and other places as well here in Ghana.
She has 2 channels, guys.
Okay, yeah,
Tell them about the second.
So the second one is an entrepreneurship and self-development channel. I talk about, business tips and all of that you can use to grow your business. So do check that also. Is Entrepreneur Extra O. And then my travel channel is Henrietta Getaway. Show some love.
Until next time, I love you. I hope you enjoyed this place as much as I enjoyed it,
it's been
as
a
much
great
as I
place.
enjoyed documenting my entire experience. Until next video, I love you all. You know the love is deep. The love is deep. The love is deep. And to everyone watching me, hey guys, you guys are super amazing. Like the shares, guys, let's
The comments.
20K. Please share. I mean, I have to end April to
Okay,
end
you're
April
good.
with 20K. Please
Straight up,
do that.
guys.
Do
Let's
that for
do
your
it. Let's
girl.
do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Share the video, like, comment, do everything you've got to do. Send it to your. I was gonna say exes. Send it to exes, your friends, your family, everybody. Like, let them subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.